Beautiful day to go ahead and get outside too, Sam. If folks are with the kids for fall break, they're definitely going to want to take advantage of the last couple of days potentially of warm weather.
Yes, Grace, my goodness, it's going to be a gorgeous one again today. I just want to give a heads up. There's going to be a few more clouds today in the afternoon, and this is the last little batch of 80s that we're going to see for the foreseeable future. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we do pick up a couple more 80s as we get into late October, but they're going to be few and far between as we progress throughout the season of fall here. There's our temperature spread a little bit closer in the Ohio Valley. So we're already hitting the 80s in Louisville, 83 at this hour as you get lunch. And we are projected to get to 87 today. Just depends on how much sunshine we pick up. We might have to up that daytime high temperature, but we are looking to be at 87 today. Warm and more clouds, like I just alluded to. Rainfall is going to be arriving tomorrow. So kind of a pattern shift as we approach tomorrow and Friday and basically beyond. This weekend's going to be downright cool, keep in mind. And I'll be talking about that cool down in just a moment. There's the planner today, 84 here around 6 o'clock, and our sunset just around 7:30 or just before that, of course. 4 p.m. we're going to be getting to 87 degrees. So most of our clouds we pick up today will be those stratus to cirrus clouds that'll be kind of high across the sky. Maybe a couple of cumulus clouds developing, but tomorrow is going to be bringing more of an overcast sky to the area. Notice we have a pretty strong cold front that's drifted across our west right now. That'll be bringing in that surge of rain tomorrow, and that's why tomorrow's forecast is going to be a lot more different than today. 78 will be our high tomorrow, and the rainfall is going to be inching in from west to east. Notice tomorrow as well, the warmest area will actually be pocketed well off ahead of that cold front boundary towards Lebanon, and then again Campbellsburg will be throughout the lower 80s off to the east. Bardstown, 77 degrees right around the lunchtime hour today. Notice clouds continuing to increase very slowly today, and we're going to see a steady increase in the temperatures the clouds tonight as well. Most of our rain tomorrow is going to be starting off in the morning hours, mainly well west of I-65, of course, mainly from Jasper to Tell City, even towards Evansville in the morning. And we're going to be noticing right around noon in Louisville, we'll pick up some light rain. And as we get into the 3, 4, 5 o'clock hour, this is where the rain is going to be a little more steady for Jefferson County. It's going to be the heaviest west of I-65 and north of I-64 for our southern Indiana communities. And this rainfall is really going to linger into the sunset hour tomorrow. And I do think by the time we get into about 10 p.m. and beyond, it's going to be a little more scattered in its coverage. So that's going to be good news. Now, the deal is on the back edge of the system, it'll be a lot more dry, and Friday is going to be bringing the sunshine, but it's going to get a lot cooler as well. And I'll talk about that in just a moment. But this is what we're thinking with rain accumulation. Some areas of the northwest are possibly going to be picking up a much needed half to about 3/4 of an inch of rain. There's the cold front. It looks like departing us here into Saturday morning, and this is where cool air is going to be funneling into our area. In fact, our weekend forecast a lot different than as of late. Low 60s when it comes to our high temperatures. We have a lot of events going on around town, and of course U of L has a huge game Saturday evening. If you're going to be heading to L&N Stadium for that. There's the weekend overall. Low 60s, low temperatures in the 40s, and next week kind of a rebound back into the 70s, but no big blast of heat like we're dealing with today.